Hi, I'm Moyen. Today I will show you how to make this cane candy chocolate sleigh. Let's get started. It has 2 cane candies, a Kit Kat, 7 rectangular chocolates, and a Santa chocolate. We have Kit Kat and the cane candy, the big one. Alright, so the Kit Kat turn back side up. Cane candy, you just put over it like this. So like around this length. Reach the end here. Right. Then use the Scotch tape to tape it down. Alright. Get a little bit of Scotch tape here. Secure. Alright. The other side as well. So by securing, right, it will stay there. Okay. Turn also. Okay. So we tape the sides so temporarily secure first. Alright. Then we will pull a long one to tape all over. So yeah, some not very tight also is okay. Alright, so we pull long one, tape, then press it down center. Okay, like that. Then go down and turn. Alright, go down. Make sure the beginning, beginning and ending, they are joining each other. The Scotch tape join each other. Yeah, so that will complete the taping of the Kit Kat. Alright. So now they are secure. Alright. So next, I will mount on this milk chocolate. Okay. So we have the option to tape this way or to tape this way. This way also can. Tape it down so it will not move. Okay. So now we will tape the rest. The two of them. Okay. Put it together. Tape it first. Okay. Like that. Okay. Having done the taping. Okay. The other two also is already finished taping. Okay. Put them together. Put one more on top. Another chocolate on top. Nobody will be not happy with having more chocolate, right? So yeah, I have them together. Alright. Then just tape them together one more time. This is make sure that they won't come out. So the beginning and the ending, we make sure that they join also. So have it long, tape them up as such. So this is a bundle. They are secure. Right? Then we can have it, this bundle, alright, to go onto the sleigh like this. Okay. Then we tape again. Pull long, right, so that we can go through the candy, go through the tape onto the chocolate on top, go onto the chocolate below, alright, go in between this bottom sleigh and touch the Kit Kat at the bottom. So the bottom is secure. As far as the top, I pull longer, right, break it, tape it down, come this side and they should join here. Alright, that's how it should work, like that. Okay, so then this piece here, okay, we can just mount it up, right, and tape it. Okay, so this still like running around, right? Can do is take a bit of tape. We make a double side tape. Alright, so we can fasten it to one of these Scotch tape here. Then the center, chocolate pull up and secure it there. That should work. Alright, so yeah, that's all for the Scotch tape type of Santa sleigh. I hope you have enjoyed the session. See you again next time. Bye. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.